Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV in the building.
It gives you hope.
I think so too. Yeah, give you hope. She's like, yeah.
Apologize to our dog for what? What should I apologize for? Are you guys dumb? What's wrong with you guys? He should apologize to me. You just call me big mouth. I have a big mouth, but the fact that you just said it, that's kind of weird. I ever want to know that shit? Tell me something else, motherfucker. What just happened is stale news. It's not like I didn't tell World Dog what happened. I specifically told World Dog I went to Lincoln Tree that, but after I realized he don't want me, I came back to him. So I don't know why is he acting shocked as if he don't know. There's even a screen recording with it when I told him. So I don't know what the hell he's trying to do now. I was honest from the get-go. I told you what I did. And you said that you accepted me back and you took me back in. So why are you gonna act like you don't know when everyone's together now? Like, come on. You know, let's move on. So instead, I blocked them both. I blocked Lincoln, I blocked World Dog. So they could go be with each other and leave me the fuck alone. So let them go date each other and they leave me alone. If they're not dating already. Like, come on, let's just be honest here. Alright, let's move on. Yeah, we left that alone, now we'll move on. Left that alone, now we'll move on. I'm in my belly skin and all that. Period. At Gold God. Gold God not the power live now. Gold God live now? Okay, let me know. Hey, Mr. Say Bad, Brittany.
Yeah. Brittany, I see you on that stage.
I don't see him. You add him from here, sir. Hi, Fonte.
He got his invites on.
Yeah, let's be to turn the invites on, y'all.
Who you gonna add now? I see Gold God is on a match with someone. He on a match with Troubles and everybody.
Hold on.
I just saw
you want to reset? Oh, you finna reset. Okay. Oh, okay. He ain't coming back.
Okay.
Monte.
Yo.
How's the day going, Mr. Saint Mark?
I ain't battling today, bro.
That's why I'm finna tell you. I'm finna get the hell out.
Who the hell you talking to, bro?
Not like that, bro.
Yeah. Don't let me get to talking shit, Corey.
You right. You definitely
yeah, cause we came in here. I came in here bit OP shit now.
You right. All right, bro.
All right, bro.
Brittany, you ready?
Yeah.
All right.